Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about case function. With this function we can correct the spellings. So here first of all I just run my basic query and I write the structure. Select from and order by and limit. So I want to apply this basics. So first of all I write the name of my table, and here I want to write here after select customer ID and name, and here I order it by state in descending order, and also I want to limit this by 4 and run. Now you can see here we have these 4 names. So the first one is Kit Jackson, and also you can see these names, and now I want to change the name. So these are misspellings, so I want to correct the spellings here. So you can see I just come here, and here after the customer ID I just remove the name because I want to correct the names. So I just remove this. I just type here case and I write here when name of the column, name equal to, so because it's a string I have to put this in quotation, Emilia Brown. Then I want to change it to Emilia Brown. Then quotation Emilia Brown. So after that I have to write another. So I want to correct 3 names here, so I should write those also. When name equal to Kit Jackson, then Kit Jackson when name equal to Magnolia Creek, then Magnolia Creek, and here I just type else name and as, so I have to name this clear name. So now I can run my query. You can see here I have write all of this, so I want to see the changes here. I just run the query. You can see here I have changed this from kit to Kate, and also here brown to brown, and also Mongolia with I to Mongolia with Y. So that's it about case function in SQL. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.